Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to check screen time on Windows 11. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open the search menu from the bottom of your screen and search for Settings. Your device settings will load up and this type of interface will be displayed. Here, click on the System tab from the left side menu and a bunch of features will appear. Inside this list, select Power and Battery feature. Scroll down a little bit and access Battery Usage tab. Here you can see that the screen time is being displayed at the bottom. By default, this graph will be based on a 24-hour time period. But if you click on it, a menu will appear. Now select Last 7 days from inside it and an average screen time will appear on your screen. So that's basically how you can check screen time on Windows 11. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.